Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a sinking fund update. This one is for the month of November, and I just want to see how much I have accumulated in my sinking funds. So we are just going to count this out and see what it is. Let me figure out my setup. Sorry guys. Okay, there we go. All right, so starting off with my son Sway. Starting out, he had 448. Today he has 100, 200, 300, oh my god, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88. So 588. So that means he had plus 140. All right, my car registration had 370, and now it has 100, 200, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 900, 95, 400. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 400. Oh my god. Where did I get 900? I wish. Again, manifesting money I don't have, you guys. Okay, so I have 400 now, which means I added $30. And this one's fully funded, so I don't think I'll be adding anything else for the rest of the year. Car insurance is going to be getting... Oh, it has now. Oh my god. It's going to be getting... Oh my goodness. So car insurance has 500, 600, 700, 20, 40, 60, 80, 800, 20, 40, 60, 80, 900, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1,000, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. So 1,075, and I wanted this one at least, I think I said 1,100, but I think maybe I might do 1,200 just to be sure. So 1,075, and I'm so sorry you guys, I cannot do that math in my head. So let's get out my calculator. So 1,075, 1,075. What is going on? 1,075 minus 845, 230. Not bad, not bad. All right, Christmas. This is the one that got depleted like crazy. So Christmas has 500, 20, 40, 60, 80, 600, 20, 45. So 645. And let's do the math. 645 minus 1,045 equals $400 that I have spent on Christmas this year. I mean, yeah, yep. Well, yeah, I guess you could say this year. This month, I should say. And that includes some gifts for the kids, Christmas tree, Christmas skirt, and like stockings and lights for the house and lights for the tree and decorations and all that. So, and I don't think that's too bad. All right, vacation had nothing in it, but now it has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, and 20. So 120. So 120, so this is plus 120. All right, investing had 132, and now it has 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 82. So 282. So investing now has, investing got, I should say, 132 minus 282 plus 150. All right, home had $25, and now it has 120, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So it has 160. So 25 minus 160, it got 135. All right, emergency fund had $40, and now it has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90. So 190. So 190. So that means it was plus 150. Not bad. Month ahead had $30, and now it has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So 130. You know, you don't really realize how much you actually save in these envelopes until you go and count it out, you know? So this is plus 130, and it's crazy because all this money would have been gone if I didn't do this. Like, I wouldn't have known where this money goes before the envelopes. I would have just been like, oh, I'm broke, I don't know. All right, car maintenance had, where am I? Okay, car maintenance had $20, and now it has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. 134. And at the moment, my car does not really need anything, so I'm kind of grateful for that. So car maintenance has 130, meaning I added 110. Supplies had nothing, and now it has 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76. So, where is it? Supplies 76, which means it was plus 76 because it had nothing. All right. Medical, I decided to get rid of that. And you know what? This wasn't retirement, was it? I think that was month ahead. Was that month ahead? Yep, it was month ahead. Because I was like, I don't remember having a retirement one anymore. So, plus 130. This is 130. Scratch that out because I don't have a retirement one anymore. Okay. So, couponing had nothing, and now it has 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. I haven't really been adding anything to this one because I didn't get coupons for the last month, but I will be getting for December, so I will start couponing again. So 40, and this is plus 40. All right, laundry. I don't know why I'm keeping track of this one because money comes in and out of laundry like super quick. Laundry now has 60, so that is plus 40. All right, Momo and Demon. Momo and Demon had 320, and now they have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 25, 30. So 230. So we took out of Momo and Demon, let me see, 230 minus 320, $90. Okay. All right, giveaways had $60, and now it has 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. So now it has $89. So that would be plus 67, 80, $29. All right, Buffer had $26 and now it has 20, 40, 60, 65, 70. Oh, 66, sorry. 66, you guys, I don't know how to count. So $66. And that would be plus 40. All right, and that is it for my update. Overall, I feel like we did really well. A lot of them are pluses. I think there's only 2 that I took out of. In a way, I feel like this is the way I've been really saving, which is really good. I'm super excited to see what 2023 brings, but you know, I believe 2022 is actually not bad at all. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.